Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is sent over by Cupilo. This is the box that it comes in, and it is an amazing back massager. So here it is sitting right next to me. It's going to have this faux kind of leather look to it. It does have a little front part on it, so it has two different options. You can have this front part down, and it'll give you like a little bit softer massage, or you can just remove it. It is attaches via Velcro. And then you have this mesh back, and then you can get more of an intense massage, so you get your own choice. Now, obviously, it's going to have an instruction manual, but we're covering all the features right here in the video. It's going to simply plug into a standard outlet. There's a little whip cord off to the side. Cord is plenty long enough to extend to an outlet, so you don't have to be like right next to one, which is absolutely nice. It does have a little pocket on the side for the remote control, so that's out of your way when you're utilizing it. But the remote control is going to have all the features you need. So first off, you're going to have, once you plug it in, it's going to go in standby mode. You just simply press the power button, and it's going to turn on. Now you're going to have three different mode options. You're going to have where it'll basically just focus on your upper back, and then you'll focus on your lower back. But if you want the full body massage, then you can do the full back, and it'll go all the way up and down. Now do note, when you do turn it off, it's going to take some time because it always goes and rests to the lower position. So if you turn it off and you're wondering why it's still moving, that is why it always goes and rests to the lower one. But as far as the massage type, it's like this 4D kind of, it gets in there with these little rolling balls and makes this like kneading sensation. It's really much like a Shiatsu massage as far as utilizing it. Now it does have the heat option, so you can turn this on and get some heat out of it if you wish to have that heat on. And then it also is going to have different speeds. So you're going to get two different speeds. You get kind of a low speed and then a higher speed option. And then you also have a timer option. So the timer options are going to be 15-minute, 20-minute, or 30-minute timers. Those are just kind of nice because it gives you an idea how long you've been utilizing the device. So that way you don't get too sore if you've got really tough muscles or tension or anything like that. But it does have a timer built into it, which is another nice feature. And then once you're done, you just simply let the timer run out and it'll automatically turn off, or go ahead and just turn off that power button. But it's very straightforward, easy to utilize. It fits nice and flat and packed, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's easy to kind of slide under a piece of furniture or a bed. It does have a little strap on the back, so if you are utilizing this in the office, and you have like a chair or something like that, and you want to make sure it's more secure, you can Velcro that. But if you have it like on a couch like here, or maybe in your car, you can just lean it up and position it there as well. So you have multiple uses to utilize this with, which is another nice aspect of it. But basically, that's the ins and outs of it. If you're in the market for a great back massager, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.